Welcome to the Hong Kong UNESCO Global Geopark, where millions of years of Earth's history rise above the sea in dramatic volcanic rock formations. Step aboard a fully licensed yacht with Speedboat and set sail on a 4-hour sightseeing tour to the Sai Chau volcanic rock region, famous for the four sea arches and some of the most spectacular coastal scenery in Hong Kong. As you cruise, you'll visit two stunning islands surrounded by columns of volcanic rock that were formed 140 million years ago during the early Cretaceous period, when dinosaurs still walked the Earth. This area was once the site of an ancient supervolcano, now known as the High Island supervolcano, one of the world's rare supervolcano calderas. It erupted with colossal force, spewing over 300 cubic kilometers of ash, blanketing much of what is now Hong Kong and creating a massive caldera about 20 kilometers across. As the volcanic ash cooled and slowly contracted, it cracked into thousands of hexagonal columns, forming the dramatic rock walls and sea arches you see today. These volcanic rock columns at High Island, Sai Chau, and the surrounding islands are now a highlight of the Hong Kong UNESCO Global Geopark. Our professional tour guide will share fascinating insights into this ancient supervolcano, explaining how eruptions, collapse, and erosion shaped the landscape you're exploring by yacht. Need the perfect shot? We provide photo assistance, helping you capture the towering rock arches, layered cliffs, and sweeping caldera views in one of the most geologically unique coastlines in Asia. You'll enjoy a smooth, comfortable ride on a licensed yacht, with all-round safety and clear access to the stunning volcanic scenery. Whether you're a nature lover, a geology enthusiast, or simply looking for a unique Hong Kong adventure, this 4-hour yacht tour offers unforgettable sights and stories from deep time, carved into stone. Join Speedboat and sail through the heart of Hong Kong's ancient supervolcano landscape, the Sai Chau volcanic rock region within the Hong Kong UNESCO Global Geopark. Book your yacht edition, Four Sea Arches Volcano sightseeing tour today. Splitdboat.com